Good morning, students. Welcome to our class. This is a class of QSC, Quantity Surveying Costing Estimation. The subject code is CE 503. And today the topic we will discuss is Introduction of QSC. And the semester of this subject is fifth semester. I am Professor Sachin Chart, Assistant Professor, Civil, SIRTS, Bhopal. So we will just start. These are the outlines of the today's topic. This is introduction, types of estimate, objective, principles, methods of taking out quantities, and some important definitions. So first we will discuss the introduction. Introduction is, in various civil engineering works, it is required beforehand to know the probable cost of construction, which is known as estimated cost. If the budget available is less than estimated cost, then attempts have to be made to reduce the cost by changing the specifications or by reducing the work. The subject matter of estimation is simple, but knowledge of drawing of structures, one who understands the drawing can find out dimensions such as length, width, and height, etc. Now, what are the requirements of the estimation or quantity estimation? The following requirements are necessary for preparing an estimate. First is drawing, like plan, elevation, sections of important points like beam, staircase, footing, and column. Detailed specifications of workmanship and properties of materials, and standard schedule of rates of current year. These three points are necessary for preparing an estimate. The complete work is divided into various items of work such as earthwork, concreting, brickwork, reinforced concrete, plastering, etc. The details of measurements are taken from drawing and entered in respective columns of prescribed pro forma. For calculating the cost of building structures, the rates of minerals are derived from standard schedule of rates, which comprises of the price of list of items in a tabular form. Also, lump sum items in estimate are included in the estimate, that is water supply and sanitary arrangements, electrical installations like meter, motor, etc., architectural features, contingencies, and unforeseen items. This has to be considered at the time of estimation, as these are the works which are not come under the estimation or quantity estimation, so we have to take them in a lump sum amount. Now, next is what are the different types of estimate we are going to calculate or we have to find. Basically, there are many types of estimates in which some of them are enlisted here. The first is preliminary estimate and approximate estimate, or abstract estimate or rough cost estimate. These all are one, and basically they are the approximate estimates to find the cost of the building approximately. As the estimate is done before the building is constructed, so we have to know the total amount which is going to be bear on that building or structure. So we use these types of estimations, that is preliminary and approximate estimates. The second type of estimate is detailed estimate or item rate estimate. In this type of estimate, we just calculate each and every component of the structure, in which we have to find every component's dimensions, and then we have to find their quantities, and then we just simply multiply them by rates and get the total amount or cost or the budget which we need to uh, financially arrange. Next is plinth area estimate. Plinth area estimate is also an approximate estimate in which we just have to find the total cost of the building, and here we just calculate the plinth area of the constructed area, and we just multiply it with the rate of plinth area rate and get the amount which we have to bear on that structure or the building. Similarly, the cube rate estimate and cubical content estimate is also performed. We just find the cubical content of that area, and we just multiply it by the rate of cubic rate, and just get the total amount or the budget for the structure. Next is approximate quantity method estimate. Approximate quantity method is used where we need to find out the approximate quantity of the material, as we have to purchase the material for starting the construction, so we need to know the quantity of material which we should purchase first. So we just find the approximate quantity by this method, and just order the approximate quantity which will be needed for that work. uh, that next is revised estimate, which is known as revised. So when the estimate is properly formed, and if we revised it, then it is called revised estimate. Supplementary estimate is the estimate which supplements the estimate of previously made. Now, next is supplementary and revised estimate. This is the combination of both. Means it is a revised and supplementary to a main detail estimate. Annual repair and maintenance estimate. These estimates are formed for the maintenance of a building or a structure after the construction of the site.